In the cold depths of space, one planet shines brighter than all others: Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Its rings stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers into the void, delicate, shimmering, breathtaking. But behind that beauty lies a story of destruction, chaos, and rebirth. And here's the mystery. Could Earth ever have rings like Saturn? What secrets would our planet need to reveal to wear a crown of cosmic light? Rings are not rare in our solar system. Saturn has the largest and brightest, but Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune all have their own faint, fragile halos of dust and ice. Each ring tells a story of something that once existed but was destroyed. Billions of years ago, during the solar system's violent youth, planets crashed, moons shattered, and debris filled the skies. Over time, gravity sculpted that chaos into beauty, forming the elegant rings we see today. But Earth was different. Our planet's gravity, atmosphere, and distance from the sun made it too unstable to hold rings for long. Yet once, long ago, it did. 4.5 billion years ago, before the first human, before the first ocean, a planet the size of Mars, called Theia, slammed into young Earth. The explosion was beyond imagination. Mountains vaporized, oceans boiled, and both worlds merged into one. That collision ejected a vast cloud of molten rock and vapor into orbit. For a short time, maybe weeks, maybe months, Earth had glowing rings made of fire. Eventually, that debris gathered into one solid body. Our moon, our ancient ring system, didn't vanish. It transformed. The moon is what remains of Earth's first ring. So yes, Earth has had rings before. To understand how Earth could get rings again, we must understand the Roche limit, the invisible boundary where gravity turns moons into dust. Every planet has one. If a moon or asteroid drifts too close, the planet's gravity tears it apart, ripping rock, ice, and metal into a ring of debris. That's exactly what happened to one of Saturn's moons billions of years ago. It wandered too close and was shredded apart. Its destruction became beauty, Saturn's rings. Now imagine this same fate happening to Earth's moon, one day far in the future. An asteroid several kilometers wide could collide with the moon. The impact would shatter it, launching billions of tons of debris into orbit. Within weeks, Earth would be surrounded by a glowing, expanding halo, a brand new ring system stretching thousands of miles. From the ground, it would look like something out of a dream. Bands of silver and gold, reflecting sunlight during the day and glowing faintly at night. Cities would never have true darkness again, but the beauty would come at a terrible cost. A ring made of moon fragments wouldn't stay stable forever. Pieces would fall toward Earth's atmosphere, creating meteor storms visible from every continent. Satellites would be torn apart, communication systems would fail, and our skies would be filled with glowing debris. Over centuries, the ring would erode. Its fragments would crash into the planet or drift into space. Eventually, Earth's rings, like Saturn's, would fade into memory. A beauty born of catastrophe. From space, a ringed Earth would be the most stunning world in the solar system. From Africa to Asia, the rings would dominate the sky, shimmering arcs stretching from horizon to horizon. During sunrise, they'd glow golden. At night, silver and blue. In the polar regions, sunlight would scatter through the rings, turning skies into rainbows. They'd even affect weather patterns, cooling some regions, heating others. Earth would become not just the planet of life, but a planet of light. Human civilization would change forever. Cultures would worship the rings as divine symbols. Artists would paint them, poets would write about them, and scientists would study their shifting colors. Space stations could be built along the ring's edge. Tourists would orbit through glowing fields of ice and rock, humanity living inside the beauty of its own destruction. But deep down, we'd always know. This beauty came from loss. Will it ever happen? Probably not soon. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, not closer. So the chance of it naturally breaking apart is small. But science and technology evolve. One day, humanity might create artificial rings, megastructures orbiting Earth to harvest solar power, protect from radiation, or even create light shows visible from space. Imagine that. A future where Earth's rings are man-made, a symbol of humanity's power to shape its own destiny. Beyond our solar system, astronomers have discovered exoplanets with enormous ring systems, some thousands of times larger than Saturn's. One such world, J1407b, has rings so vast they'd stretch farther than the distance between Earth and the Sun. It's proof that rings are part of the universe's creative chaos born from destruction, sculpted by time. So, could Earth join them one day? Perhaps, if fate allows. In space, everything is a cycle. Stars are born, burn bright, and die, their ashes forming new worlds. Moons shatter, debris forms rings, and those rings fall to form moons again. Earth may never gain Saturn's beauty, but our planet already carries the essence of cosmic artistry. Oceans born from comets,
ice,
life forged from stardust, and a moon born from chaos. Maybe we don't need rings to shine, because from a distance, Earth already glows, a living ring of blue and green, circling a single golden star. So, could Earth get rings like Saturn? Yes. But only through destruction? And maybe that's the lesson of the cosmos, that even in chaos, there can be beauty, and in every ending, a new beginning. The universe is a painter, its brush, destruction, its art, beauty, and its canvas is everything.